How can you ensure that your enterprise is ready to win the upcoming AI browser war?
Now more than ever, with the infusion of AI, it's the applications that we use every day, whether it's from the Office suite to our line of business specific applications. They rely significantly on the AI-based capabilities. In the world of agentic AI, takes that to the next level. I do think it's interesting to see the reaction from replacement browser companies, vendors, and how they respond to the notion of AI infused inside of Chrome, inside of Edge, as well as the next quote-unquote browser war with the AI-based browsers, by being very nonchalant about their lack of capability here. I do think for enterprises, this is very top of mind. And my recommendation, which I think is an obvious one, is don't let yourself get locked in by browser choice. Make sure that your use cases, your application choices, what's best for your enterprise, guide the browser that you endorse and support for your organization. It's just common sense.
Yeah, our value proposition from day one has been quite simple. Use any browser on any device, anytime. So the fact that we support any browsing form factor, ordinarily it's been Chrome and Edge are the browsers that we've seen most people use. It also includes Safari. In the past, it included Internet Explorer. On a go-forward basis, it'll include the Comet browser and Perplexity and the OpenAI browser. So our premise is quite straightforward. We can keep your enterprise users safe no matter which browser they're using, while giving you, the enterprise, full choice on pick your favorite browser for the job that you need to do, and the workspace that you choose will make it safe, will make it enterprise ready, with our additional security capabilities and all of the value that we bring to the equation.